The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights Vice Chairperson George Morara says Kenya has made some gains in human rights. However, a lot needs to be done to push the human rights agenda in the country. Human rights stakeholders gathered at the University of Nairobi to mark the International Human Rights Day.
From elections marred by bloodshed, fear and strife, division on tribal grounds, the cry for humanity still lingers. During violence, women and children are the most vulnerable, with women subjected to sexual violence as a means of war. With the celebrations marking the strides of the country across the humanitarian map, there is still more that needs to be done.
The Constitution envisages the higher standards of living for all Kenyans through quality health care, adequate housing, reasonable standards of sanitation, adequate food, clean and safe water, social security and education. These are basic rights that could markedly contribute in the elevation of poverty in the country.
The government and other stakeholders have been urged to plug in.
Kenya, in the whole wide region, is the perfect place to insist on human rights because you're the most advanced country in the whole wide region. And when you think of fighting for human rights, don't forget, you are fighting for the human rights of all your neighbors that cannot do that.
In Mombasa, activists called for an awareness in what they say is a growing problem of youth mysteriously disappearing. They want the police to take necessary action to protect them rather than turning against them, accusing them of links to terror groups. Helen Aura, NTV.